Is your Honda Passport struggling to keep your Apple CarPlay connection stable? Statistics show that over 70% of connection issues are actually caused by a worn-out lightning cable. Before you head to the dealership, let's walk through the standard troubleshooting process. Start by swapping your cable, clearing out your phone port, and confirming your phone is updated. If hardware is fine, dive into the Honda settings to forget the device and perform a system reboot. Persistent issues might require a Honda firmware update or a network settings reset on your iPhone. Most fixes are simple DIY steps, but hardware damage to the USB module usually requires a professional. As you can see, the vast majority of these problems are resolved by simply replacing the connection cable. If you are technically inclined, check the vehicle fuse box or scan for infotainment-specific error codes. Keep a high-quality cable and some compressed air in your glove box to handle these glitches. Always prioritize safety by never attempting electrical repairs while the vehicle is in motion. If these steps didn't resolve your issue, it might be time to visit the dealer for a system update.